The impact of the students working in the program that I've noticed from the start is I've had the joy of teaching. It's kind of like parenting, where when they're new or a child's young, you teach them, and then when they get older, you coach them, and then when they're good at it, you can relate to them. And that's the joy that I had with the kid last year is teaching and then coaching, and then just a few weeks ago to watch him even step into my position and operate a machine, and with no supervision whatsoever, and to watch the light bulb go off over their head. That's probably the biggest joy that I get in watching any new person that comes in the plant and learns a position and stuff.
We feel that it's important to invest both our time and resources into the local schools for multiple reasons, but it's exciting to have kids come through our plant so that they can see the opportunities that are available in manufacturing. And by getting our name out there to the future applicants and future graduates from high school, we hope that they will remember the positive experiences and opportunities at Kurt Joel Company and come knocking on our door. We are seeing the results of this strategy. As applicants are going through the hiring process, we'll often ask them how they heard of Kurt Joel Company, and we are getting responses like either Youth Apprentice, Project Grill, and often a reference from a teacher.
Well, Georgia-Pacific has done a number of things to help get students involved and interested in manufacturing careers, and also letting the teachers know what opportunities are out there in manufacturing. So such things as simple things like making paper with a demonstration at the Einstein Science Fair, sponsoring the science education units from Einstein in the Washington Middle School, helping support Bay-Link Manufacturing, which is the student-run manufacturing learning lab at West High School. So those are some of the things that we can do to get students involved and interested in manufacturing.
Well, Foundry in a Box, or Wapaka Foundry in a Box, is really a miniature version of a molding facility or manufacturing facility. And it gives the opportunity for us to take this Foundry in a Box right to the schools. And what happens is students get an opportunity to be hands-on. And it's really neat to go to a school sometimes and just talk about your company. Talk about what you do, what you make, how you sell it, how important it is to their community or the country. But it's even more important to be able to bring that to the students, and they can actually do something with it. They can actually see, oh, okay, this is kind of what manufacturing is. And they make something, and in our case, they make molds, and then they pour metal into the molds right in the school. They get to bring a piece of what they made home. So they bring it home to their parents and they say, look, Mom, Dad, look what I made in school today. And then the conversation gets started at home, and next thing you know, hopefully they're interested in our company, or at least manufacturing.
I'm tremendously excited about the Red Raider project, and we've put a lot of time in as a company, and I've put a lot of time in personally. And I think it's a very important project because we're a bit unique in this area. We're still an area that adds value and makes stuff, and that's not common in the United States. But having that strength as an area can create a vibrant community and vibrant jobs for everyone. But it takes the knowledge of manufacturers and the educators working together to make sure that we have the trained workforce we need to be able to make this happen.
Terry Felsinger's role in the youth apprenticeship pathway is kind of a long one. He started with going to Lakeshore Technical College and working with them to get their industrial maintenance program started, because he saw the need for industrial technical people. And from that, he and another individual from another business went to the state and lobbied to also start up the youth apprenticeship program in manufacturing. And with that, that gave us several opportunities to start feeding the need for our manufacturing talent. Terry Felsinger was actually instrumental in hiring the first several youth apprenticeships program students in Kohler into manufacturing. Prior to that, We never had any youth apprenticeship people in our factory floor or manufacturing areas. They were all office people.